Hello everyone. Today from Newark we will be flying to the land of Starbucks, Jimi Hendrix, and Grey's Anatomy, the land of Seattle, Washington. On today's trip we will be taking a look at the full end-to-end experience for our cross-country voyage and find out if Economy Plus is worth the upgrade. Today's trip to Seattle will take us about 6 hours and 2 minutes. We will be flying Economy Plus on board a Boeing 737 MAX 9. This Boeing 737 MAX 9 in United's fleet has 20 seats at first, 48 seats in United's Economy Plus, and 111 seats in Economy. We will be sitting here in seat 12A. United's Economy Plus is a middle ground between first class and economy. Economy Plus has a legroom space of 35 inches, in comparison to first class's 37 inches, or economy's 30 inches. In Economy Plus, you get a recline of 3 inches versus 5 inches in first class, or 2 inches in economy. And while the seat width remains the same between Economy Plus and economy, first class would offer about 3 inches more. After a quick meal in the lounge due to my membership, we are off to our gate. When it comes to boarding, United boards Economy Plus passengers in groups 3 to 5. Your exact boarding group is based on if you sit in the aisle, middle, or the window seat. At the seat, we get a nice welcome from the in-flight entertainment screen. With boarding complete, the safety video begins to roll as we start our taxi towards the runway. Now in the air, the in-flight entertainment screen provides the flight's itinerary. Wake me up for snack time. The in-flight entertainment screen provides weather information, but my personal favorite feature is the flight map. The in-flight service begins, and I opt for some water and chocolate. Cleanup is prompt and timed well. While we continue our flight in the sky, I enjoy having the live flight map open. And the friendly crew also stops by to hand out some water. With an eventual cleanup too. On this flight we also have the final print edition of United's in-flight magazine, Hemispheres. This edition marks the end of their 32-year run, but makes sense as the airline industry moves away from printed media and into digital media. Delta, American, and Southwest have already done the same. The flight continues and so do the waters. Gotta stay hydrated. I enjoy United's live flight map because it has details and trivia over what lays below. It makes you feel more connected to the flight. As we get closer to Seattle, we see Mount Rainier. What's interesting about Mount Rainier is that it's not just a mountain, it's covered by 25 major glaciers, making it one of the most heavily glaciered peaks in the United States. As we begin our descent into Seattle, this concludes the Newark to Seattle trip in Economy Plus. I appreciate you all for watching and hope you found it useful. I respond to all comments, so let me know what routes you would like to see, and until then, I will see you in the next trip.